They will be joining 40 million plus who are already organized, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So that's it. And after that, we will provide tribal certificates for everyone who confirmed and witnessed their being lumad. It can be used in a lot of ways, but also a reminder to people, it is just a piece of paper. If you don't know who you are, if you don't know your rights as tao, as human, then it's nothing. But still, it's useful because in this dominant system, they use their eyes. And they have mandatory laws. The civil system has mandatory laws. The tribes or the lumad also has mandatory laws. So sana malinaw yun. Ganun lang, the gist of the whole ceremony is forgiveness and the witnessing part. And then we'll close it with a prayer. Sana kayo nila Marco or man. Ayun.
Can I add something?
Yes, please.
Parang ang ganda rin na magiging reminder